Now, a record number of participants lined up for the 20th staging of the Burger King 5K, which took place on Sunday at the Emancipation Park in Kingston.
Over 4,500 entrants faced the starter for the event, which was originally scheduled for November 2025. However, due to the passage of Hurricane Melissa on October 28, it was postponed until a later date. It is said that a child shall lead them, and so it was in the female division of the 5K run. 12-year-old Ronisha Rule, representing Home Technical, upstaged her more senior counterparts to land the overall female title. Rule finished ahead of Dandy Williams of Pacers Track Club and another Homewood athlete, Kamisha Gordon. The young Homewood athlete explained how she came away victorious.
When I started very strong and I expected to come further down, but I pushed myself and I came first.
A veteran on the 5K circuit, Garfield Gordon from the UTC Steppers, was the overall winner on the male side. He finished ahead of Leslie Kemar of Rainforest Caribbean and Amiel Thomas of Jam Vest Limited. Gordon says because of some physical challenges, he had to adjust his race strategy.
Well, this morning I did not run my normal race plan, because normally I would go out hard and lead from the finish. But because my legs are a bit tired, I followed the pack to 3K and then I made my move.
Gordon, who is the defending champion, finished in a time of 15 minutes 53 seconds and has his sights set on a special time before the season ends.
This year, I'm trying to go below 15 minutes, so I'm putting training and showing up.
Race director Alfred Frano Francis highlighted the importance of the meet, especially to the high school athletes.
The track and field teams usually use this for background training, distance training. And one of the aspects of it was the 4x2000 relay. Now we find that we're on the weekend of character trials. Athletes have come off the road, they're now in spikes, so we're going to find them at a road race. Even though we have a lot of schools participating, but these schools are facilitated a lot of persons who are living a sedentary lifestyle.
The Homo Technical team finished first on the girls' side, while St. Jago was the best place boys team. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.